y'all, doing a real quick video. What I have here is the 32-ounce labeled bottle for the Noble Chemical Sanding 512 food service. So I have this here. It's a 32-ounce, which is really nice, and I already have it filled with water. I like to fill it with water first because right now I'm diluting it before I put my solution in that I use, but I like to put the water in first. The reason why is so that if I put the solution in first, I notice that it ends up bubbling up, or I get a lot of bubbles whenever I'm putting the water in it, so I put the water in first, so it's already in there. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the solution here. There we go. And then I'll go ahead and let me see what's going on. And then I go ahead and shake it up and it's ready to use. So I can go ahead and get the spritzer, which you also have to buy it separate for this, but go ahead and shake it on up. And that's ready. I can be able to clean off my island, my counters, whatever I need to use it for. Works great. Thank you so much for watching.